Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Rippling Insurance Admin for HR teams, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Rippling Insurance Admin for your HR teams, start by logging into your Rippling account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Look for the Insurance tab located in the left sidebar. Click on the Insurance tab to access the Insurance Management section. In the Insurance Management section, find the Settings option. Click on Settings to configure the Insurance Admin features. Next, locate that Admin Access settings in the Settings menu. Enable the toggle for Insurance Admin Access. A prompt may appear asking for confirmation to grant admin access. Confirm the action to proceed. After granting access, assign the relevant HR team members to the admin role. To do this, click on Team Members within the Insurance settings. Select the team members who need admin access. Once selected, click on the Assign button to finalize the admin roles. Make sure to review the permissions associated with the admin role. Ensure that each member has the appropriate level of access for their responsibilities. After all settings are configured, save your changes. Finally, notify the HR team about their new admin access. Your HR teams are now equipped with the tools to manage insurance effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.